Welcome back, guys. My name is Anodem Kilaini. First of all, I presume everybody's in good health and shape. Forget about the famous COVID-19 pandemic. So this video is mostly focused for KURA engineers and technicians and even the ICTs, but it's for KURA. So the examples and the attributes will much more focus on KURA. So what is SWMap? SWMap, this is the mobile-based GPS application, which is now freely available for Android users. The Play Store. So sorry for the iOS, the iPhone guys. Maybe now we don't have it, maybe later you can have your grasp in your App Store. So after installing the app in Play Store, this is how you have a look on it. There's a blue button box here with a location here. Don't forget to put a 5-star after using this app or after the video. Okay, so before moving to the showdown of this application, I'm going to show you a number of steps we need to cover up before going for this real-time work application. So this is where we go. We copy the template in a mobile phone or a tablet. We'll open an application. We'll create a project. We'll push the import template. Then we'll do a rig survey. Bear in mind, you need more than 4 satellites during the road condition survey. Well, so the first thing is to copy template in our mobile phone. Well, I have my mobile phone here. These are the templates already made. So I'll take them here. I'll just copy them. I'll browse into my phone here, SWMap here. We go to the template folder because these are the templates. Well, I'll paste. I had them already, so ignore. So I replaced them. Okay, these are the templates which I've already copied. So after copying now these templates, now I'm going back to my phone, my application now. This one is application. So I'm going to my home screen. So the first thing is make sure you have your location on here. You see, location is on. Location, this is very important because the GPS mobile app, so you need a location on to track down where is that particular culvert or a structure like a drift, a bypass. So you need to track it. You need to have a location on. Having an internet connection, that's an added advantage because you'll be playing around with the Google Satellite or the Google Hybrid OpenStreetMap, but it's not a must because it's an offline application, so it's okay to do without internet, but it's important to have internet during the sharing if you want to share it to a colleague via internet. So I'm going back now to my home screen. I'm going to click on the application now. So this is the application. Okay, because I use it for a number of projects, so it asks me for you can just ignore. I'll just ignore, use the same project, but it's okay. So I'm gonna show you the real show of this app and the important aspects of the app. So upon clicking this blue button box, we have the about option. This is where the developer contacts Avin Amala. This is my colleague. Support, actually you won't charge us, I know, so it's a free open source application. And this, they have settings. This is where you change from meters to kilometers, from imperial to metric. So we prefer metric. I presume this is okay for us. So I'm going back now to the settings, the main settings. So we have the compass direction if you want to do the navigation, but it's in terms of bearing, east, north, south, 360, 280. Yeah, that's okay. I know you guys understand a lot. So we can share the template. You can export the template, the one I showed you previously, which was copied in my mobile phone. So you can also share it via email, WhatsApp, Gmail, or Yahoo Mail, or any. So you can export it. You can upload. If you have a save address, you can punch in the save address and put a username and the person and click. Wow, everything gets uploaded to the server using this mobile application in your hand. So you can just go all over, but the most important thing is the skyplot. Skyplot, this, make sure you have 4 number of satellites here. You see, I have 5. Forget about this fixed type invalid. I'm doing it here on my desk, so I just have variations of satellites, but it's okay. So going back now here, I have projects, attributes, search, layers. So the most important thing first, you need to click on projects. These projects can be found here, or you can click here, projects. So 2 options, can either go here or go here. So I'll prefer maybe clicking this. So clicking on these projects, you'll see all the projects. Because I'm using it, I have a lot of projects using this application. So I'll create a project here. Okay, so I'll name it class C Urban. Okay, maybe 47001. Maybe I'll just do it for a bridge, maybe. Okay, so layers. Remember, the second stage was to copy. The fourth stage was to copy to get the template now. So I'll click here because I have already copied in my phone. So upon clicking template, I have templates here. Because I'm doing inventory, actually. So I'll go for this KURA inventory template. So upon clicking on this, I'll just click create. So create, this is how it goes. So you see here we have this background. Don't worry about the background. You can change the background here, for instance Google satellite. Yeah, here. Okay, I don't have good internet maybe. Yeah, anyway, don't worry, you can keep it none for now. Oh, it changed. Google satellite. Yeah, okay, there you are. Okay, yeah, there you are. Yeah, I've changed it already. Okay, so worry out. So after doing this, so the first thing you need to just to click record here, record feature. Okay, so record feature here. So because this is inventory, so there are a lot. There's bridge, there is bus stops, there is cross infrastructure, land use, guardrails, miter drains, everything. So I'll go directly for the bridge here. Okay, so bridge here we have approach bank location, living bank. So sorry for a minute, I'll take a picture of this bridge here. Yeah, here we are. So let us cite an example of this particular structure asset. So we'll be filling the information accordingly here. So I'll come back here again. Okay, bridge code, for instance, I'll give it a number, maybe 47001. Okay, the stream name, I can call it Athi River in Machakos. Okay, crossing type. So is it the bridge over the river, bridge crossing the road? Bridge over the river. Okay, width in meter. Okay, width in meter, this is the length actually of that bridge. Okay, you can first put carriageway, for instance 7.5 meter. Okay, the width, okay, you can keep it like 8. Yeah, from this side here outmost to the other side from the guardrails. Okay, so there is 0.5 for shoulders. Total span, we have 1 because you don't have any pi in between. Number of span, sorry, 1 here. And total span in meter, this is, for instance, maybe 6.5, for instance. Okay, abutment type here you feel this RCC. Okay, bridge surface type on top, concrete, for instance. Okay, okay, well, bearing type for expansion and construction, elastometer. So you fill all this information. Yeah, there you go. The road sign, if there's a road sign, I can keep it yes or no if there's not there before reaching to that bridge. Yeah, you can fill all this information. Then upon doing everything, then you put this, you push this button. Pop! There you go. The feature is recorded successfully. Would you like to review and edit feature? Say yes. So upon clicking yes, now you see you can edit the information. Bear in mind, picture can only be taken after recording a feature. That's why I had to save it. So we're gonna take a picture here. Pop. Sorry. Yeah, here we go. Yes, I'm gonna click pop. Yeah. Then wait for it. Actually, it's on my laptop. That's why it's blurred. So you can retry if you feel like it's not a good picture. Then I will just approve it. Okay, so upon approving it, you see there you go, it's just attached here. You can put a description, maybe. Okay, okay, maybe you can put a condition, no, sorry, inventory pick. Okay, so you can add more pictures. Depends on, you can look at the upstream, the downstream, the abutments, everywhere. You can take a lot of pictures. So for just training purposes, I'm just gonna take only one. So make sure after doing this, you just push this save button here. Well, so after pushing the save button, now we are done. For example, for this particular asset, which is a bridge. So we're going to do another thing. I'm going to now do the condition survey. I'm going to create another project again because the template which we just imported was just for inventory. So you go again for projects here, you click here, another project, so it will be CU, for instance, the same road 47001. The number is okay. Yeah, it's okay. So I put maybe paved. Okay, paved. Okay, then templates here, layers. You need to put template, push a button, then you choose which template. Because it's a paved road, that means you go for the paved road condition. So I'll click upon this, then I say create. So upon creating, wow, there you go. So it's so there already. You can bear in mind it's already written here. See you for the round paved. So after finishing, you just need also to create record. Okay, so the record feature, clicking it, record feature. So we're gonna prefer this picture here. Okay, so this picture, okay, first you can access different things. Can, for instance, cracks. You can look at the potholes. So for now, we can just go for cracks. So you have potholes. See if it's potholes. You have to look at the condition. Is it low, medium, high? So later on, we'll change this condition. If it's a pothole, is it maybe 15 millimeter, or is it 25 millimeter, or is it more than 25 millimeter? So you can access all variety of factors. So for training purposes, we go for wide cracks. So wide cracks, will assess it here. Okay, for instance, what is it? Low, medium, high. Okay, I'll go for medium. Percentage of cracking, you know, this includes the crack width. If is it less than 3 millimeter, or is it 1 to 3 millimeter, or is it 1 millimeter? So all this information need to be on the ground and record. So upon doing everything, then bear in mind that you can only save after, you can only take a picture after saving it. So I'll push a button, then it will ask me, feature recorded, would you like to view and edit attributes? I say yes. So upon clicking yes, now you can take a picture. So upon taking a picture here, you see, just take a picture. Okay, I'm pointing it because I'm working remotely. So I'll make sure that I'll tilt it. I'm not on the ground, that's why. So the picture looks blurred. So I'll push button here. Okay, so you can always take a picture. If you can retry, you can make a pic. You can take another picture if you're not comfortable with the picture. So for now, just push OK. So the picture automatically will attach itself from the particular template. So that's all. You can take another picture. You can put a description. What's this picture about? Is it cracks? Is it potholes? So you can flood your phone with a lot of pictures. So then don't forget to save here. So after saving here, there you go. So I'll go now directly to our main menu here. This part of share export template. Export here you can export. For instance, I click here, it will tell me you can have a variety of options. You can export a project, which is SWMap project, and you can export a KMZ. This is the Google Earth format which you are looking forward to export to. Shapefile if you want to work in a GIS application like QGIS, other applications. GeoJSON, this is for JavaScript, CSV, spreadsheet for all both Linux and Microsoft Windows, and GeoPackage. So you can work different. So for instance, if you export KMZ, you'll have a mess. It will give you an option, photo tracks. I'll export everything. So upon clicking here, the right bottom, it gives you KMZ export completed. So you can also not only export, but also you can just share via email, via Bluetooth to the HQ level. You see, you can share it to a colleague, so somebody can access, can do the quality check if the picture is it taken well, or are this information correct. So you can cross check on the map. Then upload, you can push a upload button to put it in the server. If you have a server address, maybe 192.192, the server address 0.75, so it depends on the server address. So you can put a destination folder where the data should go, directly the username and the password. So at the end of time, that means the HQ level will be knowing now the people populating the base map of urban roads, so they'll be just getting the real-time updates of what is going on the ground. So far I've already exported. Now I'll go back in my phone so that I can look at the exported data. So in my phone I've browser Arnold phone SWMap export. So this is the KMZ, the Google Earth. So upon clicking on it, now you can go, need to have Google Earth now. You see, upon clicking here, wide crack, you see it is there already, wide crack with a picture on it. So you can always copy this image if you want to look at a better picture. You can put it on Paint here, paste it, you can have a good picture. So you can also save it. So if you want, this picture was taken, you want to show a client, or you want to show a donor, get some more funds if this road has a lot of cracks. Actually the picture looks blurred because it was taken actually from my computer screen. Well, so far I think I'm comfortable saying goodbye. In case of anything, we can just drop a comment, and thank you.